What's up, you guys? It's Rob here. Today I'm going to be covering ticker symbol TSLA. Tesla will be covered on the daily, weekly, and monthly time frame in anticipation for tomorrow's trading day, April the 20th, Tuesday. So if you guys can, do me a huge favor, drop a like down on this video, hit that subscribe button, make sure that you ring that bell also. And without further ado, let's hop right on into this. So Tesla overall for the day finished negative. The huge thing that was really scary for me was we actually broke down below $700, and breaking $700 for Tesla, it's not a good thing for Tesla, and we really want to be above $700 as much as we can because we took a lot to reclaim $700. So taking a look at this, we essentially sold off here into the morning, had a little bit of consolidation and found support here at 706.08. And then we had a little bit of a rally, and then we sold all the way down to our intraday low of 691.85. Now, that just give you a hint, these two moves down here on the MACD are very overextended, and then we also are oversold on both of them. So when we had our rip back up, we brought ourselves back in the essentially not oversold territory and borderline neutral within the RSI, and then we hit oversold again. But the great thing is, after we had these two periods, we brought ourselves back up out of the $600 range and back above $700, reclaimed that support at 706.08, and touched oversold once for the rest of the day, but it wasn't nearly over as bad. We touched 28 versus these times back here, we touched 19 and 22. So it's good that we were making higher lows. So that's the thing that I'm looking for when we have these kinds of moves, is if we draw this trend line here from this, let's draw it from this line right here up throughout the day, you can see that we're essentially touching it and we're respecting it. It's an upwards trend line. So we're making those higher lows. And I really look for the 3 contact points here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So it is respected, and we do have an upwards trend here. Now, the huge thing is we have to continue this momentum moving forward, because if we hop out here to the 5-day time frame, you can really see this trend line that I've started drawing in here, and we're actually going through the middle of it. But Tesla was trading above 725 on Friday, and we really kind of essentially had a gap down today, is about the best way to describe it, which is not really necessarily a good move for Tesla. Now, Tesla did have the news catalyst of there was an accident, I believe it was in Texas or Florida or something like that, where a Tesla vehicle crashed into the side of the road, caught fire, and it was on fire for multiple hours, and both people who were in the vehicle were killed. Now, there's not much information on this right now, but this article is out there, so you can do a quick Google search of it and you'll find out. So I wouldn't be surprised if this was really the driving factor behind the fact of Tesla selling off today, because it does not look good for the company when one of their cars crashes into the side of the road and the word autopilot is mentioned within it, kind of thing. So hopefully tomorrow with Tesla, we will see a nice rally into the open, and we will get back above 725 and start trading back to the points that we were at before. But the huge thing I want to highlight here is the RSI sitting at $54. Our move today, you can see how overextended we are here on the MACD. Later in the day, we actually had a pop here in after hours. Is not nearly as bad as our previous moves. Now, the huge thing is Tesla is a high beta stock, so it feels the market effect greater than what a normal stock does. So the greater market actually was negative today, so it doesn't surprise me that Tesla is negative. And it was a lot, it underperformed essentially the market today, kind of thing. So if we hop out here to the 1 month time frame and take a look at Tesla, you can see that trend line that I drew out, we actually broke through it today. So we are technically creating a new trend, and I'm hoping that we can reestablish and actually get back above this trend line and just call this day a fake out breakout kind of thing. So hopefully so. The MACD down here has an indicator of it being very bullish, and then we also have the RSI sitting here at 48, which is a good sign also. So hopefully tomorrow Tesla will break above that 725. If it doesn't, I'm going to be looking at 706 as a support that we're going to go to and see if we test that 706 support. If we do break down to that 706 support, it's definitely going to be a very bearish move. Today definitely was a very bearish move. The after hours are definitely very bullish. So I'm not surprised that we have this reversal here. And I'll be looking very closely at the pre-market tomorrow to see how we are moving to determine if Tesla's really going to have an up or down day. But overall, for the broader market, we were negative today, so we have to keep that in mind when we're taking a look at the stock. But that's what I really got for you guys today. It's kind of a short one, but hope you guys like the video and everything like that. If you guys can, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, remember to ring that bell. And then also, if you do like this trading platform, it's called Webull. It allows you to draw all the charts and all that kind of stuff. Definitely beats the heck out of Robinhood in my personal opinion. And my referral link is down below. You do get 2 free stocks when you do join Webull. One when your account's approved, and then the other when you deposit $100 on the platform. And those 2 free stocks can be valued anywhere between $8 and $1,600. But hope you guys have a good one, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.